Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Honda Fit. First, understand that front-wheel drive cars like the Honda Fit do not perform traditional drifts. Instead, we focus on inducing controlled oversteer. This involves using techniques such as the handbrake or weight transfer. Proper setup and modifications are crucial for safely achieving these slides. We'll cover the basics to get you started on understanding FWD dynamics. To initiate a slide in your Honda Fit, the handbrake is your primary tool. A quick pull can lock the rear wheels, causing the back end to swing out. Combining this with a lift-off oversteer technique, where you quickly release the throttle, shifts weight forward and reduces rear grip. Always practice these maneuvers in a large, empty lot, ensuring safety and control. For better FWD sliding, consider some key modifications. A stiffer rear sway bar significantly reduces body roll and helps the rear end rotate more easily. You might also experiment with different tire compounds, perhaps slightly less grippy tires on the rear axle. While not traditional for drifting, a front limited slip differential can improve power delivery and control during aggressive cornering. Safety is paramount when attempting any advanced driving techniques. Always wear your seatbelt and consider a helmet for more aggressive practice sessions. Begin with very low speeds and gentle inputs to understand how your Honda Fit reacts. Gradually increase speed and aggression as your confidence and skill grow. Remember to check the description for a link to those awesome meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.